Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids, welcome to my home. Let's go inside together and learn about the things we find in each part of the house.
This is a door.
Door.
It is used for entering and exiting. This is a window.
Window.
It is used for letting in light and air. This is a sofa.
Sofa.
It is used for sitting. This is a chair.
Chair.
It is used for sitting.
This is a dining table.
Dining table.
It is used for eating meals. This is a television.
Television.
It is used for watching shows. This is a fan.
Fan.
It is used for cooling. This is a lamp.
Lamp.
It is used for lighting. This is a carpet.
Carpet.
It is used for covering floors. This is a curtains.
Curtains.
They are used for blocking light. This is a bed.
Bed.
It is used for sleeping. This is a pillow.
Pillow.
It is used for resting head. This is a blanket.
Blanket.
It is used for keeping warm. This is a wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
It is used for storing clothes. This is a mirror.
Mirror.
It is used for seeing reflection. This is a clock.
Clock.
It is used for checking time. This is a bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
It is used for keeping books. This is a refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
It is used for keeping food fresh. This is a stove.
Stove.
It is used for cooking food. This is a microwave.
Microwave.
It is used for heating food. This is a washing machine.
Washing machine.
It is used for washing clothes. This is a vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
It is used for cleaning dust. This is a iron.
Iron.
It is used for pressing clothes. This is a towel.
Towel.
It is used for drying body.
Great job, kids! We explored the house step by step, from the door to the kitchen, and learned about many things inside. Keep exploring and learning every day.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.